2024 Toyota CHR. We've done a Ghost 2. We'll show you the tutorial on how to change it, service mode, and how it operates. So for how it operates, we're just simply going to press the start button, put our foot on the brake, and we don't have any power to the starting of the engine. If we switch the system off, we're simply going to press our power button on twice. We get our dash lights come on. We enter our current password. For demonstration purposes, we've moved it over to the rear window heater. So 4 times on there. We're going to get 2 flashes with the green light, 2 audible beeps. We can now put our foot on the brake and start the car. This is now ready to use and it is in operation. As you see, it says ready on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. If we switch our system off, we're now going to change our password. So for password changes, same rule applies. Power button twice with no feet on the accelerator or the brakes. We can now enter our demonstration password. As you can see, we've entered the password. We get 2 flashes, 2 beeps. We can now simply hold our foot down, not on our foot. We're going to hold in the headlights towards us. So we're going to pull that towards us. And we're going to enter the same password at the same time. So if we come here, we're going to enter the password. We get a beep and a flash. We can now release. It will now allow us to change our password. It continuously beeps every 2 seconds, allowing you to let you know you're in your learning mode. The buttons we can use on this vehicle are going to be rear window heater. We're going to have parking brake up. We're also going to have lock and unlock of the doors, windows. We're going to have the adjustment on our windscreen wipers from auto around. We're also going to have it on here, fog lights up and down or off, and then same on the lights, auto on or off as well. So for demonstration, we're going to change it to the handbrake up 4 times. We're now going to get 3 flashes, sorry. We're going to do the same password again. We get 2 flashes as confirmation. That has now confirmed it. We can now switch the vehicle off. That is now your new password. So we're simply going to press our power button once, twice. We're going to retry our new password for you. We're going to get 2 flashes and 2 beeps. We can now start the vehicle as normal. That is on, ready, operational. Now for servicing mode, you must simply start your engine using your password as we have just done. And all we're going to do is the rear window heater 5 times. This will now beep and flash 5 times to let you know you are in your service mode. Now, what you can simply do is turn the vehicle off. You hand the vehicle keys over to whoever is carrying out the work. Once they're finished, when you're collecting the vehicle, you must switch it back on. You must simply just start your engine, because you can all start it and it will drive with no password as there's no current security on there. We just simply enter your password. You're going to get 2 flashes and 2 beeps. That has now reinstated the Ghost back onto your vehicle. And that is how it works on the Toyota CHRs.